So over here in this site, you got multiple elements as you can see right here. So let's say I want to duplicate one of them. Let's say, for example, I want to duplicate this text. In that case, you can simply go ahead and click on this text and click on the three dot button and then click on duplicate right here. Then what happens is that this text is duplicated as you can see right here. Similarly, you got a button right here. You can go ahead and duplicate this out as well. And that is what you have right here, just like this. So there's multiple elements right here and there's sections as well. You can go ahead and duplicate out those sections just like that as well. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then click and drag to rearrange them out as you like as well. And this is simply how you can duplicate it out right here, just like this. So you got a particular section right here. You can go ahead and then select it, click on three dot button, duplicate, and this is what you have right here. And that is simply how you can go ahead and duplicate out different elements, such as individual items right here, or entire section inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.